Right, I had a right cool dream. Basically, I was beating up a load of people, all the terrorists from Die Hard 1, Nakatomi Plaza thingy. I was beating up all the terrorists with a big pole thing, knocking them down a hill. One of them was standing at the top of the little hill thing, just looking down the hill, wearing a nice, clean, non-creased suit, with a suitcase as well. Pardon me. And I just whacked him in the legs with the pole, and he slipped and fell down the hill into the water at the bottom. It's like a tiny little thin stream thingy. Not deep at all, nothing. Just crap. It's muddy water there. All over the suit. Stop looking over there! Yum! You got a monkey cheese ball? Don't jump. Hello. Oh. Yes. Yep. Yes. I've got an interview tomorrow. Wicked. Wicked. Yes, I got my watch. Yes, I've got the rest of this day off. Yum. Yeah. No one wants to see a wide open mouth. No. No one wants to see a wide open eye. Out. Oh. Go away. Stop looking over there. What was it? Oh, it stinks. Oh. Oh, it's floating on the cloud. Oh, yeah. Yum! Yum! Splash.